Good day, team. Louise Marshall from RosterElf here. Today, we're diving into how to edit or delete past shifts so your roster data stays accurate. How to edit a published past shift. Click Roster in the top menu to open the roster view. This shows all past and future shifts in one handy place. Hover over the past shift you need to change, then click View Shifts. The Details pop-up appears, ready for quick tweaks. Adjust the start or finish time, role, or other details as needed. For example, move the finish time from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. when a staff member stayed back. Click Save to lock in the update. The roster refreshes instantly for accurate reporting. How to delete a past shift without clocking out data. Open the shift pop-up from the roster and check the clock and out section. If no times are recorded, deletion is allowed. Click Delete in the bottom left corner of the pop-up. The shift disappears, keeping your roster tidy. Thanks for watching. If you ever need a hand, our friendly support team is ready to help. Happy rostering!